that needs patience.
They're not ready to take that thing or take that criticism.
Of content writing within us.
It is one of the biggest companies. Come on.
Willing to hire Gen Zs in today's industry.
Exactly. Creativity is not a tap.
But at least for UX, I would say.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we have with us Devdatta Maitra sir. So how are you, sir?
All good, Varuna. Thank you for having me here today.
It's my pleasure. So जिनको नहीं पता है, he has been placed in MNC जिसका नाम हम अभी नहीं ले सकते हैं due to some unforeseen reasons. Also, he was the convener of Utopia 2024. It is a fest. DIT में एक फेस्ट होता है जो कि सबसे बड़ा DIT का फेस्ट होता है. He has been the convener of that. So kudos to you, sir. तो सर सबसे पहली बात तो हाउ डिड यू गेट इनटू यूएक्स, क्योंकि 3-4 साल पहले कोई ऐसे नामो निशान नहीं था यूएक्स का. सबने ही मतलब डिज़ाइन की डिग्री परस्यू कर रहे हैं, तो हाँ फैशन डिज़ाइन कर रहा होगा, या मतलब फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग के अलावा तो कुछ होता ही नहीं था उस टाइम पे. तो हाउ डिड यू गेट टू नो अबाउट दिस फील्ड? कैसे आपको पता चला, कैसे आप यहाँ तक आए आज?
It was all during 2020. It was COVID going on at that time.
Okay.
And I was in my class 12th. So I was from humanities background. So I was exploring career options as what I can do and what I can pursue further. So like bachpan se I had interest into filmmaking and photography. I was a camera person, so I was into cinematography and everything. So I had a plan of pursuing filmmaking and cinematography, animation and everything. So I was into it, and I got to know about the course B design through one of my acquaintances in life. He was also pursuing B design at that time. He was like 1 or 2 years senior to me. Now he's also placed at a very good MNC.
Okay.
So I had got to know from him, like he told me that since you talked about animation and everything, you can explore B design as a career option. So I told that, yeah, I have heard of designing, but that is only related to fashion, right? So like fashion and graphics I have heard of. Right. So then he was the one to let me know about UI UX, that no, there is a whole lot more apart from graphics and like fashion. There is communication, there is
technology, fashion technology.
Yes. So lot is there. So that point, like it was around mid of 2020. And at that point, I had got to know about UCET. That is an examination, conducted by IIT Bombay for the undergraduate. Right. So from there, it all began. And then I started researching about looking for what B design is and what UI UX, what product design, what is communication and everything. So yeah, till 2020 end, I had come to a conclusion that I'll be pursuing B design for future after my class 12. And then actually no one knew that whether the exams are going to happen or not. So that was again a big question mark. That so 2021, it was around Feb, and one fine day we got to know that 12th exams are not happening yet and will be marked upon some criteria 30, 30, 40.
9th वाले 9th 10th
exactly 9th and 10th and 11th के marks ऐसा कुछ था. So all those things happened. Eventually we got the results, and then it was the time to hunt for colleges. I had given my UCET exam, but I didn't qualify UCET. Like my rank was not eligible to get me to any college. So but the rank is like valid all over the country. Like many colleges take the UCET rank and call you for applications. So that is how I had got in contact with Imagine XP.
Oh.
Now that's quite a famous name in DIT.
Yeah.
At least for people pursuing UX design. Quite a skeptical name for us.
Okay.
So Imagine XP actually told me about that. You should try exploring about UI UX. It's a very emerging field, and actually the person who had done my counseling like he's a very nice person, I would say. He had explained it to me in a very well mannered, way that he had actually told me, like, see, there are so many specializations. There is product design, there is visual communication, there is like interior design, all this, but those are like solely streamlined to what um, like what domains they are actually following. But an UX designer can eventually go into the industry and can do a lot more than just a streamlined particular task.
Like what?
Like, see, product design is like all about your making into physical products. And fashion में you're only into fashion या फिर
Yeah.
fashion technology, but then UX में you can work with any industry you want.
Yeah. हाँ.
Like, it's a very versatile field, just not
Exactly.
streamlined to making apps and websites. But UX designers are eventually called product designers itself
Yeah.
when they go into product based companies and like big like MNCs. So they are called product designers because they are interacting with almost all the domains in the company, starting from marketing to product design to development to
Versatile
integration.
field it is.
So, like, before I got into DIT, I was selected in one of the branches of MIT Pune, which is Avantika University in Ujjain.
Okay.
So I had got into Avantika. Like, I was selected there as well. So there, what the curriculum was like, that they had a generic year. Like, the first year was very generic. Like, they'll be giving you options to explore all these specializations. And from second year onwards, like, you can go into choosing your own specialization. Yeah, but then in DIT, when I had inquired, so they said that no, from first year itself, you are dedicated towards your
UX.
field, like what specialization you are choosing. So then I had made up my mind that yes, I will be pursuing UI UX, and I had also got to know that we will be closely working with developers and product who are actually
Managers.
bringing products into the market. So that had got a quite interesting part. And I also had like keen interest towards coding like earlier, but then that is not the case now anymore, because I have understood that when we are into UI, and yeah, we are attached with coding, but not that much.
Exactly.
But yeah, at that time it had got my interest that yes, I'll also be working with developers. So that was a new thing which I had heard. So that had
Also,
got
एक ह्यूमैनिटी स्टूडेंट का टेक फील्ड में आ जाना तो इट वुड हैव बीन वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू उस टाइम पे.
right. Actually, I usually tell this to people around me that मेरे साथ उल्टा हुआ है. People take science in 12th, they jump into commerce, and then they come into humanities. मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा उल्टा हुआ है that I had taken humanities and then I went to एकदम
The
straight
technology
science.
field है.
Yeah, I'm working with engineers, where like CSE engineers, and we are working very closely. We are
Yeah.
interdependent on each other.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is how coming into UX and coming to DIT was through Imagine XP, that they had told me about the colleges that they are associated with in India. So yeah, that is how.
So आपने बताया कि यू वर इनटू फोटोग्राफी सिनेमेटोग्राफी. सो ऐसे कुछ होता है कि आपको मतलब आपने कोई केस स्टडी बनाई हो या फिर कोई प्रोजेक्ट आपने काम किया हो प्रोजेक्ट पे, तो वो चीज़ आपकी यहाँ पे काम आ रही हो, ऐसा कभी हुआ है? Because it is a creative field too.
An example, like, see, I believe in one thing in life that कि कुछ भी सीखते हैं ना जिंदगी में, तो that doesn't go in waste. Like, कभी फोटोग्राफी सीखी बट हाँ प्रोफेशनली कर नहीं पाए, बट इट डजंट गो इन वेस्ट. कभी सिनेमाटोग्राफी सीखी, कैमरा हैंडलिंग सीखा, तो कभी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा काम आ ही जाता है कभी ना कभी पॉइंट किसी पॉइंट पे. तो अभी रिसेंटली वी वेंट ऑन टू दैट एथनोग्राफी स्टडी वेयर वी वेंट ऑन टू अ विलेज इन रूरल इंडिया, उत्तरकाशी में. सो मतलब आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ मेकिंग ट्रैवल रील्स एंड कंसेप्चुअल रील्स, जहाँ पे आई so जहाँ पे I try to capture people's emotions, stories, उनके expressions, and like making slow motion content. I think you'll be able to relate and the audience will also be able to relate. So अब जैसे कैमरा तो मैं ऑलवेज कैरी करता नहीं हूँ. I don't have one also at the moment. पहले था but then it's not anymore. So I shoot with phone only. तो वो जो कैमरा टेक्निक्स, फोटोग्राफी, जो शूटिंग मेथड्स वगैरह जो सीखे थे, तो रील्स बनाने में काम आ जाता है एंड इवेंचुअली द रील्स कम अप गुड लाइक आई लाइक मेकिंग सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स एंड एवरीथिंग
You should
so
do what you
that
like.
comes out
Simple.
हाँ
होता रहेगा
so
बाकी
it
तो.
comes out yeah.
That's quite cool. So have you made any industry specific application like अभी जो live project आपका कोई है industry में या फिर on a digital platform?
Yeah, so previous year 2024 like Feb to March के बीच में I had taken up a freelance project.
Okay.
So that was basically an application which it was an e-commerce application which was dealing with handloom products and like home decor products.
Okay.
So the app is like live on Play Store at the moment, Play Store and App Store. So it is
Oh.
called Jaisalmeria Handloom. So
Nice.
the project was based on like the client's location itself. So the brand is based in Jodhpur
Jodhpur.
in
Okay.
Rajasthan,
Okay.
and it is like quite a popular name in Jodhpur, Jaisalmeria Handloom. So I had actually designed an omni-channel experience for them. So
The
before
responsive,
like
basically. Responsive application.
right, responsive application and website, so it comes hand in hand. But I had also designed some phygital interactions like pick up and drop and these functionalities. So
Can you just explain in brief what is phygital and what is omni-channel for the audience?
sure. So phygital
Briefly.
I'll come. So layman's language में physical plus digital we merge it and we call it phygital. I don't know whether it's the term is actually existing or not, but I have seen it like somewhere being used.
Okay.
So, for example, if I give an example of an ATM kiosk
Okay.
or like a ticket booking kiosk in a railway station. So the kiosk is a physical product design where the customer is interacting with a digital interface. So when we are having a physical product, a tangible product, but the interactions that we are building with the product, that is digital. So we have derived a term called phygital.
Phygital. Okay.
Right. So, also a leading example of Decathlon, I would say, like, if you have visited Decathlon, so you will see there are self-checkout kiosks available over there where they give you a basket when you're checking out and you just keep your products inside the basket. So that gets scanned automatically and then you just quickly select your payment options and everything and you pay through UPI
It's a sort of
and through
a
your
ऐसे ऑर्डरिंग ऑप्शंस जैसे आजकल मैकडोनल्ड्स में और सबवे वगैरह में उसमें होते हैं
exactly,
है ना
exactly,
दैट इज
exactly.
आल्सो सो दैट इज अ फिजिटल मॉडल
That is like a phygital product, you can say, because
Okay.
there is a you're going in store, you're going in person to buy your stuff, but when you're checking out or when you're making the payment, so you're making it in a digital way.
digital way so
So
no manual
simple
connection is
concept,
there no manual connection is there
right? Simple concept is the product is physical, but the interaction is digital. Like I said, omni-channel. So there is a term called omni-channel experience design. So we are designing an omni-channel experience. We can call it in this way. So for example, if we give an example of, let's say Decathlon only again.
okay
So Decathlon has its various, Decathlon being a brand, so that has its various channels of, providing its services and products to its customers. So it has a mobile app, it has a website, it has a physical store,
yeah
right? So there are three channels already existing. So what omni-channel design, what we aim to do is we try to integrate the experience of the user in a very seamless manner across all the channels. Like I went in a proper flow, so
okay
I'll come again. So integrating all the channels of a particular brand together in a very seamless way so that the overall experience of the user at the end becomes very hassle free. Concept is like there should be a brand cohesiveness among all the channels. For
Okay.
example, Decathlon, if we call about the color palette,
blue
like
blue yellow I think yellow we used it
right, हाँ, किसी part में, but mainly it is based in blue only.
blue yeah
So just to represent sportiness and activeness and everything, right? So अब जैसे एक एग्जांपल अगर दूं कि सपोज उसने अपने स्टोर की पूरी ब्रांडिंग लाइटिंग एवरीथिंग कर रखी है प्रॉपर ब्लू के अकॉर्डिंग लाइक एम्बियंट लाइटिंग कर रखी है एंड वार्म वाइट वगैरह यूज करा है टू गिव अ वेरी प्रॉपर एस्थेटिक टू
Vibe.
मैच द एस्थेटिक प्रॉपर्ली, ठीक है. बट व्हेन अ कस्टमर इज बुकिंग थ्रू इट्स ऐप, क्या पता उसने अपना पूरा कलर पैलेट ही चेंज कर दिया हो. So that breaks the brand cohesiveness in between and फिर यूजर को ना ट्रस्ट इश्यूज होते हैं कि यार ये वही ब्रांड है क्या, कि क्या पता कोई दूसरा.
ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी भी चेंज हो जाती है व्हेन यू आर लाइक
हाँ, पूरी
बिल्डिंग अ
आइडेंटिटी
ब्रांड
चेंज
टू
हो जाती है.
एग्जैक्टली.
Right, तो ये तो खैर बेसिक ब्रांडिंग की चीज हो गई कि हमें ब्रांडिंग हर जगह कंसिस्टेंट रखनी चाहिए, द फॉन्ट्स दैट वी आर यूजिंग, द
Yeah.
कलर्स दैट वी आर यूजिंग,
Yeah.
राइट. सो ये चीज तो होती है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ ओमनी चैनल एक्सपीरियंस डिजाइन की कस्टमर को एक सेम सिमिलर एक्सपीरियंस हर जगह देना. एक चीज तो ये हो गई कोहेसिवनेस वाली. दूसरी चीज तो एक और चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, वो होती है सीमलेसनेस.
Okay.
So see, at the end, we all are product designers, and what we are aiming is to make our users life easier. So मुझे suppose कहीं जाना है, मुझे किसी को कुछ gifts देने हैं Decathlon से, so I'll order the products online, but I don't have the time for them to to let them ship the product to me. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है कि प्रोडक्ट मेरे पास
सीधा
डिलीवर हो.
वहीं से जाएगा.
So I'll book the product online so that it doesn't go out of stock in case it's a very limited item or something. So I'll book the product, I'll pay online through my phone itself, and I'll just go and scan a QR and pick up the product directly from store.
Okay.
So ये एक हो गया omni channel experience design का example. At the same time जो
H&M
मैंने
में भी होता है ना, I guess. Does this happen
हाँ
in
H&M में भी होते
Okay.
हैं. वो basically a lot of brands are focusing like Home Center, it's a home decor brand. So
So
ऐसे काफी brand.
you'll book from the particular app, from that particular app, and you can take away that product from there only. Right?
Yes, simple concept. Like
Okay. Just like the
if we
pizza
talk
you
about
are
Domino's,
ordering.
yes, exactly. I was coming to Domino's. You're ordering a pizza online and you're picking it up from store, not waiting to get it
A
delivered.
simple example.
And similarly, like also जैसे तुमने देखा होगा ना कि if you go to the store also and store an
Yeah.
order and have a dine-in order, you sit at the store and have. So then also they have that like 600 points wala system where if you complete that one pizza cycle, you get a free pizza. So those points again get added in your offline visit as well. ऐसा नहीं कि आप सिर्फ online order कर रहे हो तो ही आपको points मिल रहे हैं. But when you give your phone number, so it is registered with them already. So what happens is that they give your points there as well. So that is also an like omni channel experience कि आप इन स्टोर जाके भी जो कर रहे हो आपको सारे बेनिफिट्स वहां भी मिल रहे हैं. आप अगर ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर कर रहे हो तो भी आपको सारे बेनिफिट्स मिल रहे हैं.
Okay.
So that is like ओवरऑल कंसेप्ट ऑफ omni channel experience design कि सारे चैनल्स को इतने अच्छे वे में इंटीग्रेट कर दें कि कस्टमर को एक पूरा सीमलेस एक्सपीरियंस मिले ब्रांड को फील करने का.
Got it. So ओमनी चैनल का सबसे सिंपलेस्ट एग्जांपल डोमिनोज हो गया. सीमलेस. Let's take that क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा लोगों को. Also, so you were the convener of Utopia 2024. I know it is a big deal. It is a big deal, to be very honest. So how did you manage that particular thing along with your placements and along with your studies and all? Because I was seeing you. You were तो like इधर जाना है उधर जाना है. Yeah.
So actually, it was from before Utopia only. Since induction orientation program. So at that time, I was also interning with a company in Bangalore. So internship के साथ
You went there? You went there or work from home?
No, it was a remote.
Okay.
It was a remote opportunity. Okay. So it was a 3 months internship. So the last month I had to come to college and then continue it because orientation के लिए जल्दी आना था करवाने के लिए. हो गया था manage. It was like I had divided my tasks like into different parts of the day कि इस time पे इस चीज का काम कर लेना है. And one thing I had done was that when I was in college, so I used to focus on the college work more and I used to keep my internship tasks for the evening when I used to get back to my room, and I used to do my tasks back then. One good thing was there that the company with which I was interning, so they had a very flexible thing with me.
Okay.
So they were open to it that yes, we need the work done, and like you can work like around any hours of the day, whichever is feasible to you. So, and I had also worked during weekends with the company, because I remember that induction was from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, something like this. So the weekend just before that, the Saturday, Sunday before that, so I had told them that I have a bit of like technicalities in college. I need to go attend there. So
Okay. So
I'll
that's
work
how
on this weekend
that's
if
how it
that's
happened.
fine. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is how I managed the work, and yeah,
Companies and corporate are quite helpful. अगर मतलब मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है. I was working with a company and मेरे कॉलेज के टाइम पे ही I was interning with them. तो they were quite flexible उस चीज़ में भी. तो हाँ, some of the companies are very flexible in UX खासकर, क्योंकि
right, right,
कभी भी काम करो. I love this job, man. I love it. I
right.
love the
No,
designing
it
thing.
is like I also like believe that when we are, working as product designers, especially when we are making a UI for a particular product, app, or a website, or even if we are like making some graphic design, some creatives and
Yeah.
everything, and if
Yeah.
it needs to stand out in the market, so that needs patience.
Exactly. I heard this thing कि creativity is not a tap. तुम मतलब
Exactly.
बह नहीं सकती है वो हमेशा. It needs some space. It needs a
Exactly.
brain. तो वो वाली बात है.
So it used to, that was the reason why I didn't used to work during college hours when I was busy in induction. So I used to keep it for night कि हाँ रात को I will be in peace, and फिर शांति में दिमाग काम कर जाता है,
तो
तब
रात को
आइडियाज
आप काम
आते हैं.
करते थे.
हाँ, रात को काम कर लेता था इंटर्नशिप का, एंड दिन के टाइम कॉलेज से मतलब टाइम मिल नहीं पाता था, बिकॉज इंडक्शन इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट अ बिग डील आई वुड से. मतलब ऐसे इस बार का इनटेक ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 2500 था.
हाँ, I was there. I know. That was
या
really
तो
hectic. Yeah.
onboarding of 2500 students and like movement of 2500 students, that was given to us, basically coordinating and everything.
अकेडमिक प्रोजेक्ट से सीधा अपने पोर्टफोलियो प्रोजेक्ट्स में स्विच करना, और वो भी सीधा प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए फॉर अ बिग एमएनसी. सो हाउ डिड दैट हैपन? क्योंकि 100-200 बच्चे तो होंगे प्लेसमेंट्स में. कितने थे? 70-80?
75, I think.
हाँ.
Oh, yeah. 75 were there.
75 were
Like,
there and you 4 were
yeah,
chosen. So
yeah.
कुछ तो ऐसा पॉइंट रहा होगा जो कि रिक्रूटर्स को पसंद आ गया, या फिर आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, या फिर आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स पोर्टफोलियो दे वर टॉप नॉच. सो उसके बारे में प्लीज बताएं आप.
See, so we had 2 rounds, like initially,
ओके.
and first round was a technical round where we were asked to upload like our projects like beforehanded, and we had to talk about those projects, like what we are uploading. So we had to explain those projects. So yeah, the interviewer was like quite open to see my portfolio. So
ओके.
he had told me that yeah, your portfolio looks quite polished as a fresher.
ओके.
So you can choose any one of the projects that you have it in your portfolio and explain it.
बिहान्स का दिखाया था आपने?
हाँ, Behance portfolio दिखाया था.
ओके, ठीक है.
So that works. Yeah, Behance portfolio works.
ठीक है.
Until and unless you have your like skills ready, you
Website.
have your projects ready, the portfolio location, I think it doesn't become a problem. That ki Behance पे है कि personal website है, it doesn't become a
ओके.
problem. So yeah, so I had explained one of my one of these projects itself. So I had explained the project on omnichannel experience design only.
द
So it
जैसलमेर
had
वाला.
Jaisalmeria handloom. So
ओके.
that because it has all sorts of the parts of the process.
Yeah.
उसमें UX है, UI है, branding है, and then थोड़ा सा उसमें टेस्टिंग भी है बिकॉज वो प्रोजेक्ट लाइव है अभी ऑलरेडी, तो सारी चीजें उसमें अमलगमेटेड है अच्छी तरह से। तो मैंने वही दिखाना प्रेफर किया था। सो आई हैड टू फेस सम क्रिटिसिजम्स लाइक बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट आई हैड शोन। सो yeah, the interviewer was like a little bit not convinced
Okay.
that this may become a solution, like this will be the best solution for it that I was putting it forward. So he had an opinion that instead of like what I had done, like as I explained earlier in the video, that what channel and what I did to make it seem. So he was expecting the solution to be some dashboard design or anything like towards the brand side, towards the business point of view.
Okay.
So that the analytics and everything could have been viewed at a much easier way for the brand. Like see, it's a B2C product that I was building
ठीक है.
for a business to customer point of view. So I had built the solution, I had designed the solution in favor of the customer, the user. Yeah, but he had assumed that the solution would turn out to be on the brand's side. So I had tried my best to explain that, sir, definitely we can have solutions at both ends, but once the product is ready, I feel the metrics, the the numbers would come up much more better. Like once the numbers start coming up, then only we can have a dashboard to showcase
exactly.
So yeah, at the end he was convinced that okay, I get it. So this was the first round. And then in second round it was the leadership overview round, where they basically test your like communication skills, how well good you can speak, and how confident like it you can present yourself before a person. Now that person can be personal, like someone in your personal life, professional life. He can be your client, or like basically how you present yourself. Right, so that plays a very
crucial role and major role.
Right, so the way you are addressing yourself, like hi everyone, and like hi everyone, so
hi everyone.
The voice modulation,
the modulation.
Voice modulation plays a big factor in it.
It is.
So I think, like, see, they are recruiters, they are like dealing with hundreds of applications every day.
Exactly.
So I think like we as UX designers, अभी जैसे हमारी आंखें वैसे हो गई है कि अगर थोड़ा सा कहीं किसी ऐप में फॉन्ट भी इधर उधर होता है, या अगर कलर बहुत शार्प होता है, या अगर स्पेसिंग, पैडिंग, एनीथिंग, लाइक we have been trained like that.
Exactly.
You should be able to identify those minute pixel differences as well. So they are also recruiters, so उनके भी कुछ ना कुछ तो उनके भी mind में होगा कि नहीं, there is this thing कि yes, we can go with this person.
Just be honest whenever you are
like see, I believe that what you have done, explain it in a better way. Like be honest in what you have done. Like there is no point in exaggerating unnecessarily. अगर हमने कुछ चीज नहीं करा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर जैसे हम जूरीज भी जब देते हैं ना, लाइक यू विल अग्री विद इट कि जूरर जब सामने बैठा है, जूरर जानता है कि हमने क्या किया है, बट अननेसेसरीली देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन टेकिंग हिम राउंड एंड राउंड. जो किया है इट शुड बी ऑन पॉइंट. राइट, बता दो, बिकॉज वो जूरर है, उन्हें तो पता ही होगा ना कि एग्जैक्टली कि बच्चे क्या करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट्स में. तो वही कराया था. तो yeah, so like being clear with your statement, कि yes, I have done this, and ठीक है, if it's not the appropriate solution, if it is not going the way you are assuming it to be, ठीक है, all good, all well, all criticisms welcome.
कहीं और ट्राई कर लेंगे हम, कोई बात नहीं, दे दो हमारा पोर्टफोलियो.
बता दो, faults बता दो. One important thing which I think is that you should ask what are the flaws of your project, because we as aspiring designers, and even if like when we go into the industry in our initial years, we tend to make mistakes, and
of course,
like obviously if you being in your third year, if you see your projects of first year, you would definitely your eyes will be capable of criticizing those projects. If you see your juniors projects at the moment, so we will be able to guide them, right? So उनका भी वैसा ही रहता है कि they are able to see the flaws, they are able to see the scopes in a more wider वे कि हाँ इस
Exactly.
प्रोजेक्ट में और क्या स्कोप है, तो आई बिलीव कि क्रिटिसिजम्स हमें ले लेने चाहिए.
One should be
uh,
open to this
exactly,
conversation.
one should be open to the criticisms
Yeah.
that they are getting. And मतलब हो ही सकता है that there are greater scopes of a particular project, maybe कुछ और perspective हो,
Exactly.
because at the end, like in all sorts of, in all ways of life, I believe perception plays a major role, how you are perceiving things.
Exactly.
Right. So that was again one part of the interview where they were into like interpersonal like conversations, like about my schooling and what all extracurricular activities that I have been part of.
Okay.
So that is how it went on for me, and for my other like classmates. They had some like they had other people who were interviewing them.
These case studies होनी चाहिए in a portfolio, अगर मतलब if the person is going for an interview या फिर मतलब प्लेसमेंट राउंड के लिए बैठ रहा है वो, तो कितनी पोर्टफोलियो स्टडीज, मतलब कितनी केस स्टडीज होनी चाहिए एक पोर्टफोलियो में?
सी ऐसा कुछ मतलब डेफिनेट नंबर नहीं है कि इतनी होनी ही चाहिए,
हाँ,
बट या ऑन इन अ मिनिमम आई थिंक लाइक जस्ट टू शोकेस योर स्किल्स, लाइक मतलब जैसे बहुत सारी चीजें होती है ना, इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट यूआई, तो इसमें यूआई हो गया, रिसर्च हो गया, प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन पर्सपेक्टिव हो गया, थोड़ा सा आपका एथनोग्राफी हो गया,
Okay.
फिर सर्विस डिजाइन हो गया. तो बेसिकली यू शुड हैव ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ लाइक मतलब बेसिकली वैरायटी होना चाहिए आपके पोर्टफोलियो में.
Okay.
द नंबर्स वोंट काउंट बट योर स्किल्स विल काउंट.
Also
That
the
कि हाँ
variety and the
मैंने
versatility you are putting
Exactly.
forward. Yeah. Okay.
Exactly.
Got it. ठीक है.
लाइक क्या होता है ना कि एक इंडियन एग्जांपल ही देता हूँ, जब कभी दुकानों में कपड़े खरीदने जाते हैं, नॉट स्पीकिंग अबाउट मॉल्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बट
मुकेश
हाँ
हैंडलूम्स.
हाँ, तो ऐसा कुछ मान लो है, कुछ हैंडलूम ऐसे शॉप से, तो दे आर नेवर सेटिस्फाइड विथ वन शॉप, और दे आर नेवर सेटिस्फाइड विथ वन टाइप्स ऑफ लाइक like one types of
एक ही
style.
तरह का, हाँ, स्टाइल, हाँ या
Exactly. So we as people, कि नहीं ये पसंद नहीं आ रहा, कुछ और
कुछ
दिखाओ.
और दिखाओ, कुछ और दिखाओ.
So when like you're sitting for an interview, you should be the person who is able to display all your skills in such a way that the person sitting at your front should be impressed, that yes, should be able to pick up one among those कि हाँ मेरे को ये पसंद आया.
वर्सेटैलिटी पसंद आए उनको.
Exactly,
That's
ये
all.
वाला factor.
ऑल्सो यूएक्स डिज़ाइनर्स से एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं रिक्रूटर्स कि वो बहुत वर्सटाइल हों, उनको मैनेजमेंट की भी थोड़ी सी अकल हो, मार्केटिंग की और डेवलपमेंट वालों के साथ बात करने
Right.
का पता हो. तो मतलब यूएक्स डिज़ाइनर इज समवन जो जिसको हर एक एस्पेक्ट का पता होना चाहिए, तो वो चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा काउंट इन होती है. तो वो चीज़ तुम्हारे पोर्टफोलियो से दिख जाएगी, दैट इफ़ यू आर वर्सटाइल
Exactly.
और नॉट.
मतलब दिख जानी चाहिए that you should be acquainted with marketing graphics. Like
Yeah.
graphics भी दो टाइप के होते हैं, कि एक आपके illustrations and vectors, ये सारी चीजें हो गई, and एक आपके marketing, social media, ये सारी चीजें
क्रिएटिव्स
हो
एंड
गई.
ऑल.
So often like UX designers work with marketing team as well. मतलब एक ना ऐसे loop follow होता है कंपनी में
I
कि
did.
suppose
I did.
yeah.
Yeah.
So our product is coming from a client's end, and so it comes first to the like designers कि हम देखेंगे कि हाँ वो चीज डिजाइन उसमें feasible है कि नहीं. Then we give it a green tick that हाँ वो चीज feasible है. That goes into development कि developer बताएगा कि हाँ कितना टाइम लगेगा इसको बनाने में, क्या possibilities है, कितना टाइम लगेगा back end और front end integrate करने में, ये सारी चीजें. फिर that goes into marketing कि मार्केटिंग में कितना टाइम लगेगा इसको प्रमोट करने में, सेल्स मार्केटिंग, वो सारी चीजें हो गई. तो वहां पे भी यूएक्स डिजाइनर्स प्ले अ वेरी critical role of UX copywriting. Writing the copies or the content, that we call it copies in professional language. So writing the copies for a particular
Brand
product
or product.
for its promotion, that plays a very major
Crucial.
role in hitting the right audience.
Yeah.
Like Zomato is a leading example in India at the moment, and all
Copywriting.
quick.
Damn, the copywriting of
Yeah.
Swiggy, Zomato, Uber, amazing.
Yeah, वो एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है
Yeah.
कि दूध मांगोगे खीर देंगे एंड ऑल
हाँ
दोस
एग्जैक्टली दीज थिंग्स कम्स अंडर यूएक्स कॉपी राइटिंग. शुरू में मेरे को भी नहीं पता
एग्जैक्ट
चलता था कि मुझे लगता था कि ये कोई कॉपी कंटेंट राइटर लिख रहा है, बट नो
नहीं,
यूएक्स.
दैट इज अगेन पार्ट ऑफ यूएक्स कॉपीराइटिंग. यूएक्स डिजाइनर्स का ही पार्ट रहता है वो. वी शुड आल्सो हैव अ साइड ऑफ कंटेंट राइटिंग विद इन अस,
या
कि हमें थोड़ा लिखना भी आना चाहिए. वी शुड बी एबल
कविताओं की
टू
बात नहीं हो रही है यहाँ.
हाँ, नॉट कविताएं,
हाँ
बट या वी शुड बी एबल टू कम्युनिकेट आवर प्रोडक्ट टू द यूजर्स.
एग्जैक्टली वो इमोशन आना चाहिए उस टैगलाइन में या फिर वट एवर यू आर राइटिंग.
Exactly. Like every night, every evening, we receive those push notifications from Zomato. Like,
आज
for
भूखे हो
example,
क्या क्वेश्चन मार्क.
yes, वरना dinner किया, कोई
हाँ.
नहीं, हम ले आएंगे. So,
Yeah.
you should be able to keep yourselves in your users, foot.
Exactly. Coming back to the portfolio thing, ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट्स हम देखते हैं कि असाइनमेंट्स मिलते हैं और ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट्स बहुत सारे होते हैं, तो मतलब हाउ मेनी ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट शुड बी देयर इन अ पोर्टफोलियो, कितने इंडिविजुअल असाइनमेंट्स होने चाहिए, इसका क्या ब्रेकडाउन है?
मिक्स रहना चाहिए, आई वुड से,
ओके.
बिकॉज इंडिविजुअल असाइनमेंट्स में आपकी लीडरशिप दिखती है कि आप कितना अच्छा सोलली एक प्रोजेक्ट को लीड कर रहे हो.
हाँ हाँ.
एंड एट द सेम टाइम ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट में आपके ग्रुप में काम करने की स्किल्स दिखती है, टीम वर्क दिखता है,
ओके
कि
ओके.
जहाँ पे 8 to 10 people are working in a particular
पर्टिकुलर
project, same
प्रोजेक्ट.
project. So there are n number of opinions towards the solution. When we are designing a product, we need to, keep in mind all the opinions when we are designing a solution.
Okay.
Both matters, like group projects also matter and individual
इंडिविजुअल
projects.
प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑल्सो. तो द लास्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी, इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन कैसे करनी चाहिए? सो हाउ शुड अ पर्सन अप्रोच द इंटरव्यू?
See, I'll tell you in my case.
देखो लेमैन
The
लैंग्वेज
night
में बता दो, ऐसे ही
द
बता दो.
नाइट बिफोर माई इंटरव्यू, मतलब अगले दिन इंटरव्यू है एंड एक रात पहले, सो आई वाज विद माय क्लासमेट्स
Okay.
एंड वी वर स्टडिंग अबाउट हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फ्रॉम यूट्यूब. सो वी सॉ दैट ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, मतलब कुछ कॉन्क्रीट कंटेंट मिल नहीं रहा कि क्या करें, मतलब क्या पूछेंगे, बिकॉज उनको भी नहीं पता होता है कि इंटरव्यूअर्स क्या पूछते हैं, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव अ पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट. मतलब उनके होते हैं कुछ कीवर्ड्स दैट मैटर जो उनको सुनना होता है एंड देन दे आर प्लीज्ड विद इट. सो लास्ट में ना हमने सोचा कि लेट्स नॉट डू इट, लेट्स सी आवर रेज्यूमे, हम अपने खुद के प्रोजेक्ट्स पढ़ लेते हैं.
ठीक है.
We should know our project, what we have done, because like even if you're making a project with someone's help, you should know what you have put inside it. ऐसा नहीं कि वो आपको पूछ रहा है and you go like speechless कि हाँ मुझे पता ही नहीं मुझे बोलना क्या है इसके आगे. So
Exactly.
वहां पे ना वो इंसान समझ जाता है कि maybe he is not that much into his project, not that much connected
और
towards
मे बी
his project.
पैशनेट अबाउट हिज प्रोजेक्ट.
राइट, एग्जैक्टली. मतलब बस एक करने के लिए कर दिया एंड एक अच्छे से किया, अच्छे से करके, मतलब
Present
एफर्ट्स
किया.
डाल के उसको पोर्टफोलियो वर्दी बनाया, बिहांस वर्दी बनाया. सो दैट इज व्हाट मैटर्स. सो एंड में फिर हमने ऐसे छोड़ दिया था कि नो, मतलब ऐसे यूट्यूब देख के करने में कुछ नहीं होगा.
दृष्टि आईएएस उसके
हाँ,
इंटरव्यूज
नहीं.
देखने थे.
सी, मुझे नहीं पता बाकी फील्ड्स में कैसा होता होगा, हाउ अदर पीपल प्रिपेयर फॉर इंटरव्यूज, बट एटलीस्ट फॉर यूएक्स आई वुड से दैट देयर इज नो स्क्रिप्ट दैट यू शुड फॉलो. You should have your resume very short and crisp. You
हाँ.
should, have your experiences in case there is a resume round कि वो आपके resume देख के, they come to you.
बेसिकली
And-
आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपने अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स में क्या किया है, अपने पोर्टफोलियो को
Yes,
समझाना
exactly.
आना चाहिए आपको. दैट्स ऑल
Exactly.
मैटर्स.
You should know what you
Yeah.
are showing them.
या एग्जैक्टली.
Because what they'll be asking is from there only. And if there are any criticisms, always welcome criticisms. And whatever feedback they give, you should always have a, very open approach towards agreeing to it. That yes, I would definitely improve it in future.
एग्जैक्टली. क्या पता वो तुमको ले ही ले अपनी कंपनी में कि मतलब
हाँ,
क्योंकि
exactly.
इफ द पर्सन इज ओपन टू क्रिटिसिज्म तो इंडस्ट्री को यही चाहिए ना. स्टडी हुई थी जेनजीज की कि
Exactly.
है ना?
I was just coming to that. That
Exactly.
exact same article I have read.
हाँ.
That
व्हाट वाज
why
दैट? यू
people are not willing to hire Gen Zs in today's industry.
Industry,
That's
exactly.
because Gen Zs are not at all adaptive to accept criticisms. They are always,
Yeah.
in their rebellious forms that what we
मेरे
have done
साथ ये क्यों
is
कर दिया
correct.
तूने, तुझे मैं
हाँ हाँ.
बताऊंगा. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली,
Yes,
दे आर
exactly.
नॉट रेडी
So,
टू टेक दैट थिंग और टेक दैट क्रिटिसिज्म कि मेरा कैसे गलत हो सकता है, वो वाली चीज उनमें अभी भी है.
right, exactly. So that should not be the approach. Like,
बी द मिलेनियल व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग द जॉब.
अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स अच्छे रखो, वैरायटी रखो प्रोजेक्ट्स में, एंड पोर्टफोलियो काफी सॉर्टेड रखो, सारे एक एक टाइप के प्रोजेक्ट्स रखो, ग्रुप और इंडिविजुअल मिला के रखो, एंड अपने रेज्यूमेस को एटीएस फ्रेंडली बनाना स्टार्ट कर लो. यही सारी चीजें होती है. एंड मेरे को भी अभी काफी एक्सप्लोर करना बाकी है, बिकॉज आई हैड जस्ट अपीयर्ड फॉर वन कंपनी, एंड फ्यूचर में अगर
इट
कोई
इज
और
इट इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट कंपनीज, कम ऑन.
yeah, it
Yeah.
is, and I would say that they have a very good hiring process. Like, they are very quick in hiring, I would say. Basically, you should know a bit more than what you are studying.
या मतलब कॉलेज से हट के भी थोड़ा सा अपनी एक
थोड़ा सा
पर्सनालिटी बिल्ड
जरूरत से
करो.
थोड़ा ज्यादा पता होना चाहिए.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
Like,
ओके, सो दैट वाज इट फॉर दिस पॉडकास्ट. सर, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे जाते जाते इस पॉडकास्ट पे?
nothing as such specific, but yes, keep designing, keep being creative, everyone. That's all.
ओके देन, तो सर जब आप ज्वाइन कर लेंगे वी विल हैव अ पॉडकास्ट विद यू अगेन, आई होप.
Yes, sure, definitely.
सो यस, गुड बाय गाइज, और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट में, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. एंड बाय बाय. कीप ग्रोइंग, कीप लविंग योर सेल्फ, और कीप डिजाइनिंग एज देव सर सेड. बाय बाय.
Okay, bye.
Okay.